Hello guys, good morning. So I'm showing you how to single the valley. So the valley is a critical point for doing a single. So make sure, the one thing you need to do is make sure this piece is one piece. It's no connection. So what I'm doing is I put a line mark for the guide for the end point of the singles. Then this is the guide that I have, because to make sure that every singles is one piece, and make sure that there is no nail at least 8 inches from the corner of the valley. So my nail is here, and there's only here and here. So and put blackjack or rope tar, because in this area we don't have a nail, so this is can hold firmly if you put that tar.